Hello, dear children. How are you? I know it's been a long time since we have met. Yes? But then I was too busy. I had a very busy schedule. Even this time I'm very busy. But then I thought let's take a quick session with you all. Right? So today we'll be starting with work, energy and power. Before starting, let's see today's quote. And today's quote is, there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Yes, there's no shortcut to success. You always have to work hard. That is, hard work is the only key to success. So with this, I am wishing you a lot of success for your upcoming exams, since exam season is here. Right, even I have my exams. So today's topic is work. Let's quickly begin. Just a second. Work is said to be done by a force on a body or object. When force applied causes displacement of the body. Very important. Force applied causes displacement of the body or the object. No work is done if the body does not change its position on the application of force. Now just take an example. You are trying to push a box, and a box is it's not very heavy, like it's a light box. So you can push it easily. That is, on application of your force, the box displaces. Right? Now turn it to a heavy box. It's a very heavy box and you are trying to push it. Will it move? That is, on the application of your force, there is no displacement of the box. So, no work done. Right? Work done, कब कहेंगे? When you apply the force and the body is moving. The body is changing the position. Okay? और जब you are applying force and the body is not changing the position, then it is no work done. Work done is 0 in that case. Okay? Next. Yes, the example. Just a second. So this is how I adjusted the camera. And now the example is the same. When you try to push the box and the box is showing displacement, then the work is done. If the box is too heavy and it does not show the displacement, no work is done. Right? Simple. Next. Work is done when we hit a football. See, when we hit a football. In this case, we hit the ball, force is applied to the football and the football travels a certain distance. That is, displaces. Right? On the application of your force, the ball is displacing, then the work is done. Simple. Okay? Work is done when a box is lifted to the ground to some height. Okay? The force is applied to the box and you lift it up and the box moves through a distance, that is through a height, that is the box displaces. On application of your force, the box displaces. So therefore, work is done. Factors on which work depends. Magnitude of the applied force. Okay, the more force you apply, the more will the body displace. Distance traveled by the body on application of force, that is displacement. जितना ज़्यादा force, उतना ज़्यादा work. जितना ज़्यादा displacement, उतना ज़्यादा work. Right? See the expression now. Work is equals to force into displacement. Just a second. Force into displacement is work. This is the expression for the work done. Okay? Now, you see the expression? When a constant force is applied, this is the expression, that is W, work done, is equals to force into displacement. Here F stands for force and S stands for displacement of the body. I hope you know what is displacement. When the position is changed of a body or object with respect to time, that is your displacement. Now children, it may happen that the force acts on an angle on the object. Always it can't be horizontal or vertical straight away. Okay? It sometimes may act at an angle. So we are going to see the cases for how we are going to solve for the work done if the force is acting at an angle with the object. Ready? So now I'm switching off the camera just as to adjust the screen, and you should concentrate more. It's very important. Okay? So I hope I'm audible now. Yes? So this is your force. You can see the block, yellow colored block here. That is our object. And this is the force. And this is the angle, theta. Can you see? Now force horizontal है completely. Now force vertical है completely. Okay? So this component of theta, force, will be F cos theta. Now you may not know what it is, but I'll tell you, and you will learn in your higher classes. Like in class 10th, the next year, you are going to learn the different values for trigonometric functions. Cos is a trigonometric function. This is F cos theta, and similarly this is going to be F sin theta. Okay, done? So this horizontal component is F cos theta and the vertical component is going to be F sin theta. So what is the main component, like the component which is going to give you work? That is the cos theta component. You see, position 1 of the block and position 2 of the block. The block has displaced because of which force? It is because of F cos theta. Now let's see the next slide. Yes, this is the slide wherein your values are there for the trigonometric functions. For example, this theta, the angle. Theta is the angle which is, the force is acting on an angle. So what if you are given the value of an angle and you have to find the work done? These are the values for different angles. And you have to concentrate on this. Cos theta. Okay? This value is all the more important for you this time. Rest you are going to learn in your next year, class 10th. Okay? So cos 0. If your theta is 0 degree, the value of cos 0 is going to be 1. If your theta is 30, root 3 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 60, 1 by 2, and if it is 90, 0 worked. 0, the value of cos theta is going to be 0. What if it is 180? It's not mentioned, but I am going to mention it here. So if it is 180, the value is going to be minus 1. Okay, done? Now the next slide. Positive work done. If theta is the angle, if theta angle equals to 0 degree. Okay, I have highlighted it. Theta is the angle which is equals to 0 degrees. Force acts in the direction of displacement. Like you are pushing the box. So in whatever direction you are pushing the box moves in the same direction. आप जिस direction में box को push करते हैं, the box moves in the same direction. So that is the example of positive work done. अगर force जिस direction में लग रहा है, displacement भी आपका उसी direction में हो रहा, then the work done is positive. Okay? So let's see the modified expression for work done. Okay? It is work done is equals to F cos theta. Okay, F cos theta ही है ना, and S, that is your displacement. वर्क किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? फोर्स के cos थीटा वाले कंपोनेंट से. रिमेंबर, सी दिस. यस, सो F cos theta, and what is the value of theta here? 0 degree. अगर 0 डिग्री वैल्यू है थीटा की, दैट मीन्स ये वाला जो फोर्स है इट इज इक्वल टू द F cos theta. If theta is 0, so it is said to be positive work done. Thus work done by a force on the body or an object is said to be positive when the body is displaced along the direction of applied force. Yes? What's negative work done then? If theta is equals to 180 degree, then the force acts just opposite to the displacement of the body. Okay? Here, I repeat, theta is 180 degree. Okay? What is the value of cos theta then? I've just written it -1. Okay? Thus work done is negative. आप जिस डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लगा रहे हो, डिस्प्लेसमेंट हैपनिंग इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. वेरी सिंपल. If there is no displacement, then the body does not move, no position change, and work done is equals to 0. So let's come to units of work. The SI unit of work is joule. 1 joule is equals to 1 Newton meter. How did it come? Let's see. Work is equals to force. Sorry kids. Yes. Force into displacement. Correct? What is the unit of force? Come on, tell me. Newton. What is the unit of displacement? Meters. So 1 joule comes out to be Newton meters. Work is said to be 1 joule. See, this definition is very, very important. Work is said to be 1 joule if 1 Newton of force acting on the body displaces the body through 1 meter in its own direction. Okay? So children, here we come to the end of today's lecture. Do let me know in the comment section, how did you enjoy the lecture? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for recent updates. Bye bye, take care and keep studying. And most important of all the very, very best for your exams, dear students.